Hi, Ms. Scroggs.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, good. All right. This is case number 070252. This is regarding it's Angelina Thomas Scroggs now?
It is. Yep,
All
Thomas
right.
Scruggs.
All right. Good morning, ma'am. Could I just get your name for the record, please?
Angelina Thomas Scruggs.
All right, Ms. Scroggs, I think the original case was regarding James Johnson. It looks like that was resolved a long time ago. All right, this is
Yeah,
back in 2007. Tell me what's happening, Ms. Scruggs.
listen. For the record, I'm P62593. I was told by Bloomfield I had an outstanding warrant, and I didn't know anything about it. So back and forth because Oak Park couldn't find it because it's not in my name. So as soon as I found out, I came. The clerk was kind enough to read the file. She said that she thought that I had been court appointed a case from circuit in '07. I didn't show up for it. Judge either gave it away or resolved it himself, but fined me some money. And then a certain date to pay it. She said when I didn't show up, they issued a show cause, and that I didn't show up for that either. I can't even say I don't recall. I'd never heard of any of that because I know for sure that I've been to Oak Park since and didn't know I had a warrant. I've practiced, even though I had like a little 11-year where I was in doing dialysis, so I didn't practice as much. But I've never been show cause to my knowledge. Now, I asked her, was I there when all of this was said? And she said no. So I guess my little arguments are notice, notice, speedy trial, or in this case, the hearing 2007. And then I guess we're presumed to have prejudice after 3 years. I've had the same phone numbers since '93. I worked for a law firm that represented Royal Oak Township. So I served as city attorney, I guess between the years maybe 2001, 2007. So I knew the Oak Park court. Had I known I had a outstanding contempt or warrant or whatever, I would have resolved it. That's not what I do.
Okay, all right. It's over a decade old. So it looks like I'm just going through the old file here.
Okay.
All right. So it looks like there was a contempt of court that was issued, and then there's a failure to appear on September 27. The addresses that I have in the file, I have a Hibbard Court Street address, and I also have a Beechwood Lane in Pontiac.
Okay, so Beechwood is where I am now. I gave them that address when I was there, but it's also the address where my mom lives. So I don't think they sent my notice to come today to Beechwood. Hibbert Court, okay. I think I lived there from maybe 2002 to, I don't know, 6 or 7, because I went into kidney failure and I'm not sure. She told me something though about a P.O. box. And I'm saying in 2007, I know that I don't think I'd have had the P.O. box. It's like, I got that when I first started practicing because, you're paranoid. You don't want to put your real address in there. And then after you're practicing for a while, you could care less. You don't want to.
All right. Hey. Give me just 1 minute. I just want to check the register of actions and just give me 1 second.
Thank you. How you doing, Mr. Zivian?
I'm doing well. I don't know how you can live with yourself with this thing hanging over your head for
just roaming around, just going to Rochester and just roaming around, just being in contempt.
How dare you? You have stolen my dreams, and all you can talk about is money. How dare you?
How could I live with myself? 2007.
I know. I'm thinking capital punishment might be the answer here, but I'm not sure.
And then I had to convince the court Yes, the warrant is there. We don't see it. We looked for your name.
Yeah. I
All
know.
right, Ms. Scruggs. All
Okay.
right, so I just took a quick look at the registered actions. It looks like Judge Gubo had fined you $300, so it was just a matter of paying the fines and costs. It looks like you posted it as a bond. I'll just credit it. It's paid off.
Okay,
We're done.
but okay. I understand that I posted a bond. Why am I paying a contempt of court that I didn't know about? So I didn't even have an opportunity to
Ms.
argue it.
Ms. Scruggs, so I mean, you're welcome to appeal Judge Gubo's order, but I wasn't here in 2007. All I know,
know
is
it.
that I have a court order that fined you $300. I'm not in the position to set aside Judge Gubo's court order because he fined you, and that's what happened. But you've now paid the fine. I'm going to deem that you paid the fine. I'll credit the bond, and you're all set with us.
I strenuously object, but okay.
You're welcome
Strenuously.
to appeal Judge Gubo's order, but that's what the order says. So here we are. All right. Have a great day.
All
Ms.
right.
Scruggs.
This is not right. I might appeal it just to see what they say.
Sounds like a good idea.
Yeah, thank you. See you later, people.